For those who want to replace manifold air pressure sensor on engine M13A, you need to unscrew this bolt. I already unscrewed that. This bolt down here and that bolt down there. So the air filter box now is free. After that, unplug the mass airflow sensor. Kind of hard. Okay, I'm gonna do that later. So unplug the mass airflow sensor, and there are two vacuum hoses there, so you need to sorry for the lightning. You need to take out this one, and then to take out this one. So I'm gonna do that, and I will show you later. Now, after those pieces out of the way, just undo this clamp hose. For the filter box to be free. And I remembered. I'll show you. There is a connector down there. Very hard to do that on one hand. Let me see if I can do that after I take out the box. So, like that. Whoop. And that's our connector here. Yep, it has, like that. Yep, and now the air filter box is free. And after that, you have your air pressure sensor. So you need a few, I guess, 4mm Allen screws, and that's it. You can replace that on engine M13A. See you.